Hi there, welcome back to Business Friday, where we focus at enhancing your business and sales skills. My name is Nidhi Vadera. I am a sales coach, author, business consultant, and in today's video, like I promised you the last time, I'm going to give you a summary of the entire series titled How to Sell Any Product or Service. If this is the first time you're watching this episode, please take out time to watch the previous videos to understand how one thing is linked to the other so that you become more impactful in selling. So today I'm going to give you the gist of it, but before that, if you are new to this channel, please take out a few minutes to visit our homepage. I post 2 new videos every week, one on Tuesday, one on Friday. So if you are interested in the knowledge of books and business, then do subscribe to the channel and become a part of our community. And now let's get started with today's episode. So today's video is about the recap of all the information that we have gone through in the past in the series titled How to Sell Any Product or Service series. I know it was a lot of information and I covered it very quickly. So let me give you a brief of what we discussed and then tell you my personal recommendation about the points that you must remember. So first we talked about the mindset. Your mindset plays a critical role in your sales confidence, and you can develop a positive mindset about selling when you start looking at selling as sharing. You are sharing information to help your customers, and when you shift your mindset from selling to sharing, suddenly there is a shift in the way you approach selling. Then we talked about the product inventory. Remember, I gave you the format to list down the features, benefits, and advantages of your product. If you did not complete that earlier, please complete it now because that's the key information to understand your product and your service. After that, we talked about creating a comparative analysis. Again, very important piece of information because comparative analysis will help you understand how you are better than your competitors, what are the areas where you are weak. I gave you a format for this as well. I hope you completed it. If not, please finish it now. The information you gather during the comparative analysis is used to answer your customers' questions when you meet them during the first meeting, and they ask you, how are you better than your competitors? So that information can be plugged in here. Then we discussed profile. We discussed that you cannot sell to the whole world, which is the total available market, and you will have to pick a segment which is the right customer for your product for whatever you are selling. Then we discussed how to build a powerful sales presentation for your niche market. From there, we moved on to the sales process. We talked about researching, what to prepare before meeting your customer for the first time. Then we talked about the meeting. Remember, the key here is to ask your customers a lot of open-ended questions so that you can gather more and more information about the problems that they may be having with their existing vendors. Then we learned to incorporate these problems into a presentation and to give solution to the customer. And not only solution, how to plug in the anticipated objections and block the objections to deliver high impact presentation. Next, we discussed the demo phase. Why is it important and how to give a power packed demo to your customers? We discussed that live demo is the best where you can show the product. If you cannot show what you are selling, then switch to how to demo, integrate visuals, and finally add analogy. From there, we transited to creating options for the customers. We discussed to give them 3 options with pros and cons, and finally give them a 4th option, which is not to take any action, to create a sense of urgency. Then from the options to choose from, we shifted to options for pricing. So there are 2 types of pricing, fair value price and premium price. Be sure in your mind about the pricing, and it is because if you are doubtful, then it will reflect in your presentation. Give your customers 3 pricing options and multiple payment options to choose from. If you do your homework, if you clearly know how you can solve the customer's problem, if you are sure that you bring value to the table, and if you answer all the queries and objections, then getting a sale will not at all be about any pressure tactic. It will be as simple as taking an order. Now, to do all of this, to have successful closure, you need a sales process, and like I discussed in the beginning, you will have to keep tweaking the process based on your experiences, and once it becomes yours, you will be more confident, your customers will start trusting you more with the solutions that you offer, and you will have a super successful sales journey. So this brings us to the end of this episode and How to Sell Any Product or Service series. I'm sure now you don't have a single doubt in your mind about the way things are connected with one another and the way things flow in the sales journey. Whichever assignment you did not complete, please go back to the video and complete it, because once you complete the assignments, you will develop super clarity and that will take your confidence to the next level, which will impact your sales results. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and do subscribe to the channel. I will meet you next Friday with another power-packed episode. Until then, love your numbers, work hard for your dreams, and remember, it won't work out till you start having fun. Happy selling.